Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, original, authentic, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls, and this is Burgh Unboxing. And first of all, it's very interesting. The stamps there are really, really old. And this comes from Florida. Well, it's not in a box, but it is a Burgh unboxing video, so have not seen what this is. I know what it is, but I have not seen it. But those stamps are from the 60s. they're old. Kind of neat. All right. And let's see what it says here. Thanks for your purchase, and left you positive feedback. All right, this is from eBay. And I have to talk to my bank because buying that solar backpack overdrew my bank account. So I got to beg them not to hit me with more charges. All right, this cost $8.74, and I do this because the great troll, Big Crapola, said I had bins of gold and silver in my apartment. Now I'll be buying larger quantities of gold as I have the money down the pike. And Kathy will be on in a few minutes to talk about the Avengers movie. And so be sure you won't hear that. Okay, here we go. Little envelope here. If you like the Oscars, I used to use these for stamps years ago. We collected stamps. Okay, here it is. This is a I love how they seal the gold here. I can't get it out or feel it, but this is supposed to be a certificate of authenticity. This is 1 gram of gold. So I don't know. I won't buy buying one of these again. I like to feel the gold in my hand before I put it into a little plastic thing. But there it is. There's 1 gram of gold. And little tiny gram of gold. So why I would put it in this card, I don't know. But there it is. All right. I'll give you more word on the school shooting as I have it in Colorado. This is George Senda. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe out there, people. It's really warm here in Martinez. And another restaurant closing. The KFC across from Lucky's is closed. It's gone. I don't know what's going on to these restaurants we like to go to. They're all closing. This is a trend we don't like. Okay, bye-bye for now.